This is again another important question regarding RBI. There have been a lot of current affairs. Which of the following is not included in the liabilities of Reserve Bank of India? So this question will help you to learn about what are the assets of RBI and what are the liabilities of RBI. See, when we say asset means assets assets always give income, return for the RBI. Liabilities it is not RBI's money, it is having some liability. Okay. So before trying to solve this question, they asked which of the following is not a liability of RBI. We will first learn which all items are included as liabilities of Reserve Bank as well as which all are the assets of Reserve Bank. The liabilities of Reserve Bank includes the notes issued by the Reserve Bank, notes which are in circulation, notes held in the banking department, cash balances maintained with the Reserve Bank by the central and state government. Okay, central government, state government's cash balances will be maintained with RBI. That is not RBI's money, it is the central government and respective state government money. So they are also liabilities. Then cash maintained by the banks, all India. See, the cash balances maintained by RBI of central government, state government, banks, all India financial institutions such as Export-Import Bank, NABARD, then cash balances of foreign central banks, international financial institutions, all are included under the liabilities of Reserve Bank. As well as the balances in different accounts relating to Employees Provident Fund, Gratuity and Superannuation Fund. Okay, so RBI employees, Employees Provident Fund, RBI employees, Gratuity and Superannuation Fund is kept in a different balance account, So all these are the liabilities of Reserve Bank of India. Now regarding the assets of Reserve Bank of India, it includes the foreign currency assets, okay, mainly the forex reserves. Foreign currency, in the forex reserve there is foreign currency assets are there, mainly in dollars, euro, etc. Okay, so foreign currency assets are assets of RBI. It gives income for RBI. Gold coin or the gold reserve, the gold stock of RBI, it is again an asset. Rupee securities, including which all rupee securities RBI is holding, that is an asset because it gives return for RBI. Loans and advances to the central, RBI might have given loans and advances to the central and state government mainly in the form of ways and means advances. Okay, then the loans and advances given to commercial and cooperative banks under the RBI Act 1934. All these are the assets of RBI. So the foreign currency asset, the gold stock of RBI, the securities, rupee securities and the loans given to the central government, state government, commercial bank, cooperative banks, all constitutes the assets of RBI. So with the assets of RBI, so we say RBI have to have a balance, okay. So RBI's assets should be always more than the RBI liability, because then only the central bank will be having that power to control our monetary policy. So this can be a potential question. They can ask you either the assets of RBI or the liabilities of RBI. Here in this question they are asking for which one is not a liability of RBI. We know that note issued by RBI is a liability. Notes in circulation is a liability. Deposits of the central government is a liability. But loans and advances to the central and state government, they are assets of RBI. They are not liability of RBI. So not a liability is D. A, B and C are liability. D is an asset of RBI. Okay. So with this question, learn what are the assets and liabilities of Reserve Bank of India.